Today I will show you how to use the 2.4G remove with the RGB plus CCT controller. First you need to connect the right way, positive, negative input, and here is the plus if you use the RGB with CCT LED strip light like this. The plus here, negative is only one negative, and one Y, cool Y. This is not need to control. This in the middle is not need to connect. Here RGB like this. And some clients said they cannot use this remove to control the controller in no signal, because first you need to match the coder. It's easy. First we need to see if not match the coder. On off is not useless, not useful. So customer will say this cannot use this one to control the controller. It's easy. First we need to turn off the power supply, turn off, and turn it on. Within 8 seconds, press this button. Then you see the LED will flash. Easy. Then we can use the remove to control the LED strip light. Let's see. Off, on, and white color. We can select the different color temperature. Cool white, warm white, and brightness, different brightness. Here can select the different color. And we can see here there's a A globin. So if you have A controller, use the same way. Only use one remove to control A controller. That is very easy, so easy to use. On, off. That's all.